Alright, so hi everyone. So I'm back and I'm going to continue our discussion about Chapter 2, Lesson 3, Converting Raw Score to Standard Z-Score. The previous video about Chapter 2, Module 3 is how to get the Z-scores, diba? How to solve the z-scores. Remember that from left to right using the table, z-score table. Alright, so this time I will be discussing again to you this one. Yes, so in this lesson you will learn how to convert normal random variable x to standard variable z and vice versa. Moreover, this self-learning kit in this particular lesson will enable you to solve real-life problems, of course. So, competency, convert normal random variable to standard normal variable and vice versa. So, you have this expectation about this topic, this video. So, we have this complete me. So, we have this the given. So, after I'm done discussing, you can answer this complete me. I'm going to didiretso na ako sa ating discussion, okay? So in abstraction, in solving real life problems involving the normal curve, it is very important to convert a random variable x, yeah, to standard variable or z-score. So this procedure is known as, remember the procedure, standardizing or standardization of a random variable where standardized value is called a z-score. A z-score is measured of the number standard deviation. You have this particular data is away from the mean, the variance, the mean, standard deviation, and the mean. Suppose your score on a test with in probability statistics was 39. Yes, you have the given here. So the score of probability and statistics. So probability and statistics is 39. Then the standard deviation is what's this? With the mean was the score, and the mean is the mean is 33, and the standard deviation is 3. Then the score exactly 2 standard deviations above the mean. If you scored 30, then it is exactly 1 standard deviation below the mean. All values are above the mean have positive z-scores, and all values that are below the mean have negative z-scores. Yes, you will learn that we have negative 3 point something and then positive 3 point something. So, given any value from a normal distribution with a mu, where the mean and the standard deviation, to convert x to z-score, standard nominal score, you need to, these are the steps. Subtract the mean from the x, which is the score or given, divide the quantity x by the standard deviation, this one. So you have the equation here. Do not forget the equation. Where is my pen? Alright, so do not forget the equation. Oh, wait. Do not forget the equation. We have here the equation z is equals to x minus the mean over the standard deviation. Okay? So that is your formula. Alright, so z is the standard normal score, the z-score. This is what the table is. That negative 3.0, this one, this is the z. This one refers to the z, this one. Yes, this is the z. Next, the x refers to any data in normal distribution. Next is the mu refers to the mean and the standard deviation. So let's have example number 1. Suppose IQ scores are normally distributed with a mean of 100, yes, the standard deviation of 10. If your IQ is 85, what is your z-score? So let's have the given here. By reading, you have already the clue. So normal with the mean. So you have here. So therefore, your mean there is 100. And of course, there's another clue. The standard deviation is 10. And what is this 85? This 85 is your x. So that is the any data value. So that is 85x. So in order to get the z, we are going to solve again, subtract, yes, subtract the mean. So by the x, so you have here the mean is 100 minus the x, which is 85 over 10. So you have here negative 1.5. Okay, so that is how you're going to get the z-score. Clear? The same thing what we did on example number 2. A nationwide placement test is normally distributed. The mean was 125 again, so this is the mean. The standard deviation is 15 and your score is 14. So this is your x, this is your standard deviation, and this is your mean. Okay, so the same procedure using the formula. And then example number 3. So the height of teachers in Santa Catalina National High School are normally distributed with the mean of 150 centimeter. Yes, we're going to write here. So 150 centimeter. Never mind the, what's this? The apelido. Next, while the normal random variable is unknown. So meaning the normal random variable, that is x. So x is unknown. Next, to solve the normal distribution variable x, multiply the z-score. What are the other given? Okay, the height of the teachers are done with the mean 150. Standard deviation is 15. The height, you already have the z-score. Okay, so first step is write first the given. Yes. So we are asked to find the actual height of Sir Victor. So remember this formula. We're going to derive this because we are looking for the we are looking for the value of x. So by this, how to get that one? So x minus the mean over the standard deviation. So multiply both sides. So we have here z standard deviation is equals to x minus the mu. So again, we need to find the x. So we have now z standard deviation plus the mu is equals to x. Or we could have x is equals to z standard deviation plus mu. So this is the formula in finding the value of x. Okay? So let's go back here to our given. So let's have the given here. So we have now the x is equals to z standard deviation plus the mu. We have here the formula. If you ask, how did you get that one? Go back to this solution. This one. Okay? So just derive from the original formula. Alright, so by this, we have the value of x. We have the value of z, which is 3.25. This is the z, tapos multiplied by the standard deviation 15 and added by the mean, which is 150. So you have now the height of Sir Victor. It's not yet finished. You should put therefore the actual. When you are answering problem solving, do not forget to answer the question. So the question is, what is the actual height of Sir Victor? So the actual height of Sir Victor is 198.75 centimeter. The same thing on example number 2 and example number 1. Please do not forget the apelido. So do not forget the therefore. Blah blah. I'm going to check that one in your paper. If you're answering problem solving, you need to put the therefore, like this one. The actual height of Sir Victor. You need to answer the question. So this one, the same procedure. The time it takes for a cell to divide is normally with the average of 60. Yes, 60. Standard deviation of 5, how long will it take? Okay, so negative 35. So again, how long will it take for a given cell to divide if it's mitosis? So again, do not forget the therefore. So therefore, it will take the given cell, it will take 53, wait, it will take 53.25 minutes uh, for a given cell to divide. Yeah, you can have that one as long as there is a therefore and then you answer the question. Okay, so that's it. How are you going to solve the z-score? So again, you have, if you are going to solve the z, then you need to follow this formula, this one. And if you are looking for the value of x, then you also have this formula. Okay, so I hope you're ready to answer your assessment for lesson number 3. I will be back for lesson number 4. Thank you and God bless. Again, do not forget to PM me if you have questions. Okay.